everybody, Miss Jenni here, and we are going to make zucchini keto bites. Anyway, let's start off by going shopping. Alrighty, so we're going to get some zucchini. So these ones aren't really that big, so we're going to get several of them. Alright, I think that'll work. Alright, we're going to get a couple tomatoes. These are pretty good size. Some of them are kind of squishy. Oh, taking all the sticker off. Get that one, and then we'll get that one. Okay. Alright, so now I need some Italian seasoning because I don't have any at home. So we'll get that. Alright, so we went shopping, and so now we've got the zucchini and all, and the tomatoes. We have the cheese and Italian seasoning. We are going to clean up our veggies real quick and get them all sliced up. Alright, so we got that all washed up. And now we're going to slice them. Alright, so zucchini. Some of the benefits of zucchini is that they're high in antioxidants and they support the immune system. They also contain important nutrients for eye health, and they promote a healthy heart and cholesterol and blood pressure levels. They provide fiber for healthy digestion and gut microbiomes. They're also champions in strong bones. So those are some good benefits of zucchini. Yum. So I'm going to lay all the zucchini in here, and we'll get them all prepped up. Alrighty, so we're going to slice up the tomatoes. Some of the benefits of tomatoes is that they're full of nutrients. They support heart health, support exercise recovery. Hey, that's a good thing to know. So we've been going to the gym a lot lately. They help protect against dementia. They also help prevent prostate cancer. They balance your blood sugar, promote healthy skin, hair, and nail growth. Wow. Okay, that's some good stuff of tomatoes. Alrighty. So we'll get this all sliced up. Okay, so it says to brush with oil. So I'm going to pour some extra virgin olive oil into this little cup. So I had them in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to brush with oil. Okay, so now that we did that, now we're going to add some Italian seasoning. All right, I'm going to sprinkle with some Italian seasoning. We're also going to use some garlic powder. A little bit of black pepper. Just a little tiny bit of salt. Alright, so now we're going to put the tomatoes on top. We're just going to lay them on top of each one of them. Alright, so I got the tomatoes on there, and now I'm going to sprinkle cheese on the top. I'm using Colby Jack. You can use whatever cheese you want. Okay, I'm finishing off with some cheddar jack. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. That looks yummy. Okay, so now I'm going to put them back in the oven. And the directions say to cook them, bake them until the cheese is melted and slightly browned. So I've already put the zucchini in for about 5 minutes to help soften it up a little bit, but I imagine by the time the cheese is melted and slightly browned, the zucchini may still be just a little bit al dente, which means it's still going to have a little bit of a crisp to it. So that's okay, but the keto zucchini snack, yeah, this will taste really good. Okay, so we are going to put them in the oven. So I have it set at 400 degrees, and we're going to go for 10 minutes right now. And we'll check on them and see how they look. Okay, so we are going to check it out in 10 minutes. And let's leave it in for a little bit longer. Not quite ready yet. Alrighty. So they've been in the oven now for probably close to 25 minutes. Very good. Alright, so now I'm going to cover them up and we'll have them to eat here in a little bit. So Rob's going to make some broiled ribeye steaks and some shrimp. And that's going to go with the zucchini. This is going to be a good dinner. Okay, so here's our zucchini. And now this recipe can be done in different variations and stuff. You can use portobello mushrooms, eggplant. You can use red peppers instead of the tomatoes. Chili oil for the oil, and I used extra virgin olive oil. You can even change up the cheese to like feta cheese, parmesan, Swiss cheddar, Monterey Jack. Add some bacon bits. You can also add chopped olives, basil leaves, chopped artichoke hearts, spinach, raw or blanched, capers, jalapeno, shrimp, pizza sauce. Oh my gosh, tons of ideas. The ideas are endless. So we are going to get ready to eat this. And if you look in the description below, you'll be able to find the recipe for this as well. All right, we're going to enjoy in just a minute. Okay, as you can see here, Rob's got ribeye steak and shrimp. And what he did is he put it in the broiler for 7 minutes each side to get it to medium rare. All right, you ready to eat? Okay, we're gonna get some zucchini. All right, let's do a taste test. So the zucchini was in the oven for probably about 25 minutes. It's actually fairly soft. Very good. That Italian seasoning really makes the whole thing taste really good. All right, you guys. If you ride motorcycles, ride safe, ride fun. Miss Jenni out.